How to create OKX wallet account on mobile. If you want to create your OKX wallet account on mobile, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is open up the OKX application. Now, if you already have an account, you can log in directly from here. But if you want to sign up or create new account as we are trying to do, we can go to the sign up button instead that says don't have an account, sign up. Now here, simply select your country or region that you want to select, then tap on the next option, confirm your location. Then all you have to do is enter the email address that you want to use for your OKX account. If you have a referral code, make sure to enter the referral code and tap on the sign up option there. Then all you have to do from here is, first of all, you can also verify the slider here to verify the CAPTCHA. Then it will ask you to create a password, and it will also ask you to verify your email address. Once you verify the email address and chosen your password, your OKX account will get successfully created. This way you will be able to basically create your OKX wallet account on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.